This client just got a hold of me and asked me, Scott, this ad just generated one lead so far for $24 and was asking for a little bit of help. I looked at it immediately. What caught my eye is the same photo 3 times, and it's kind of a weird look, right? That driveway with the sidewalk. So the right here, right here, right here. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna rerun it. Now she's got the open house tomorrow. So that's in listings to leads. Click on market listing. And then in the overview here, go ahead and just click on Facebook and Instagram ad. And once this opens up, if you see your image is essentially the same over and over and over again, go ahead and click change template. And first of all, I like, if you scroll down right here, select that first one on the left. I like this one better. So let's do that one. And that's a main image on top within 3 on the bottom. Now, this is still not good because we need to change those images. If you click on the top left there, there's a little icon, click it. And now look at this. All of these are editable. The main one's fine, I think. I mean, it's not my listing, so I haven't gone through all these photos yet, but you'll get the idea. I just want to select something different. The kitchen is always good. These are great photos. This should do really well. So let's find a kitchen or something. So here's the kitchen. Ooh, I love the outdoor. So we got to show people love outdoor space. So let's show the outdoor. That's kind of nice. I like that. 93 more photos. Yeah, this will do well. In fact, I might even, you know what I might even do? I might even come up here. Yeah. In fact, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use that photo, and then I'm going to put the photo of the home in the bottom left. So I'm making this video longer than it needs to be, but I think you will agree, right? Nice photo there. And then now here, I'm going to show the house. And I might pick this one, a little bit more attractive, right? You don't need to show the whole driveway, right? Pretty, you can see there's the front of the house, got a tree, that's nice. And then here, I'm going to throw either that living room, kitchen. I'll just select that one. So, people see it's nice and spacious, nice floors, lighting looks great. Hit apply. I think that'll do a lot better. Hit save. Be thoughtful about the photos, right? What are the best aspects of that property? What is it that somebody looking for a property would be interested in? So again, outdoor space, a nice foliage in the front, not highlighting the garage door. Right, so there's our photo. Remember, everything is default. We're going to do $20 because her open house is tomorrow. So we're going to run it for 1 day, and we'll do 4 p.m. Create ad. We're good to go. We got the Facebook lead form already created. It'll run to the location, the city plus 15 miles of the listing. And I'm going to think she's going to generate, I will follow up here, but I'm going to think she's going to generate between 3 to 5 leads in the next 24 hours. But you can see here, there's the other one, right? I mean, that was just awful. $24. But look at this. I think the images here are going to really pop. We'll get some good leads, and I'll try to make sure we update this video or this post in the mastermind group tomorrow.